Hello everyone. Today's date is 20 April 2022. This is an original video. Before started the video, let me introduce myself. I am Diksha. I am a fresher. Today's topic name is sorting techniques. First one is what is meant by sorting. Sorting is a process of arranging elements of an array so that they can place either is ascending or descending order known as a sorting. And there are many types of there are many techniques by using which sorting can be performed. And in this section of we will discuss each method in detail. Sorting techniques are described in following. First one is a bubble sort, next one is a quick sort, third one is a heap sort, selection sort, a merge sort, and then they are first one is explained in a bubble sort. Bubble sort means it is the simplest sort method which is performed sorting by repeatedly moving the largest element and the highest index of the array, and then it comparing each element to its adjacent element and replace them accordingly. And next one is a bucket sort. Bucket sort means the bucket sort is also known as being sort. Its work by disturbing the elements into the array, also called as bucket. And then in this sorting the algorithm, buckets are a sorting algorithm. Buckets are sorted individually by using different sorting algorithm. And next one is a comb sort. Comb sort means comb sort is the advanced from the bubble sort. Bubble sort is a compares all the adjust the value, while comb sort removes all the values or small value the end of this list. And next one is a counting sort. Counting sort means it is a sorting technique based on the keys. That means objects are collected according to keys which are small the integers. And then counting sort calculate the number of occurrence of object and store its key value. And then new array is formed by adding previous key element and assigning to the object. And then one heap sort. Heap sort means in the heap sort mean heap or max heap. Min or max heap is mentioned for the array elements, and depending upon the choice and the element are sorted, deleting the root of element of the heap. Next one is a technique of sorting insertion sort. Insertion sort means as the same suggests insertion sort each element of array to in a proper place. And then it is very simple sort method which is the used to arrange. It is used to arrange to detect off card while playing bridge. And next one is the sorting technique means merge sort. Merge sort means it is the merge sort follows to divide and conquer approach in which the list is first divided into the sets of equal element of each half of the list is sorted by using to the merge sort. And then the sorted list is to combine again to form an elementary sorted array. And then next technique in a sorting technique is quick sort. And then quick sort is the most optimized sort algorithm and which perform on log on comparison. And then like a merge sort, quick sort also work by using divide to a conquer approach. And then one is the selection sort. Selection sort means the selection sort finds the smallest element is the array and place of the first place to last place in a properly to the element. And and then it is won the second place. The process continues until the elements are moved to their correct ordering and carrier's running time, which is worse than is the insertion sort. And then next one is a shell sort. Shell sort is a generalization of insertion sort which overcomes the drawback of insertion sort, comparing the elements separate by the gap of server position. And thank you.